Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best portable blenders in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best portable blenders. The 5th product on our list is BlenderX Cordless. The BlenderX Cordless is ideal for people looking for a portable blender that can do more. This is by far the most powerful blender tested, smashing ice and effortlessly slicing through frozen produce. We like how the greater bottle capacity enables you to make larger quantities of frozen beverages. This is perfect for getting together with pals wherever they may be. The most significant disadvantage is the cost. A conventional blender with comparable performance at a lower price is readily available. With more power comes a heavier, larger device. To compensate for the size, the producers included a special sling-style dry bag. The BlenderX is ideal for individuals who don't mind spending a little more money on a compact blender that can smash ice. Up next, in 4th place, is the PopBabies Portable. The PopBabies Portable is one of our favorites because of its exceptional mobility. This blender has a plethora of mobile capabilities that are both handy and user-friendly. The strong handle provides a secure grasp, and the detachable jar allows you to drink without having to connect the motor base. The prominent measuring lines show ounces as well as milliliters, making it simpler to prevent overfilling. Meanwhile, the push-start button is simple to use. Combine smoothies, juices, or your morning protein drink in seconds. You can even smash ice if you utilize the provided tray of small cubes. This approach, however, is not without problems. First, the blade cannot be removed from the cup. This isn't a big deal since you'll never lose the blade, as long as you don't lose the cup. Second, the bottle is difficult to clean. You can remedy this problem by flushing it with water once you've finished your beverage. Neglect the problem for hours, and the crud within will have to be removed with a brush. As long as you're more conscientious about cleaning, the practical design has a lot to offer folks on the move. The 3rd product on our list is the Cuisinart EvolutionX Compact. With 2 exceptions, the Cuisinart EvolutionX Compact's elegant appearance is similar to that of a bullet blender. It contains a cordless mixing option and a push-start button. Ice is crushed, and spinach is pulverized by the strong engine. With the addition of the flip-top lid, the cup transforms from blender to travel cup, with the option of leaving the motor base behind, a benefit for anybody looking to reduce size and weight. This is the closest you'll come to conventional blender performance when compared to most portable blenders. The cost of high performance is limited room. The mixing cup and motor base combine to take up considerable space. This type is a fantastic option for blending and going. If you want to travel with the full unit on a daily basis, another choice may be preferable. The EvolutionX is ideal for individuals who wish to avoid the effort of slicing up frozen fruit and want to leave the motor base at home. The 2nd product on our list is the Nutribullet GO. The Nutribullet GO is difficult to beat when it comes to space-saving portability. The entire unit takes up very little space in day packs, gym bags, and luggage. The blending cup itself fits in the palm of your hand, and the lids have an additional security strap. During our drop test, the tiny cup held up remarkably well, with no signs of damage or leaking. The battery life of this mighty little blender also impressed us. Following a single charge, it had one of the longest mix durations in our fleet. The tiny cup may be little, but it is very portable. With excellent portability comes less than ideal blending performance, though it is still above average. We had an annoying banana slice during testing that the blades couldn't handle. We pulverized that one lingering piece after 4 blends with persistence and patience. This will not be an issue for those who do not use bananas in their smoothie. In fact, we found this model to be one of the finest selections for mixing frozen fruit. Given the long battery life, it's worth the extra minute or two. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Leegoal Bravo. Go no farther than the Leegoal Bravo for a dependable rechargeable blender that you can carry anywhere. Its outstanding performance and unrivaled durability earn it our highest recommendation. It is the only blender with an IPX7 waterproof rating that we evaluated. We confirmed this claim by fully immersing the blender in water for 30 minutes, as it chopped through frozen produce without a hitch. It was also one of the most powerful blenders, reaching the desired smoothie consistency faster than most other models. Despite its portability, the Leegoal is somewhat tall. Individuals with low-hanging kitchen cabinets or limited pack space may find the height inconvenient. Apart from the height, the only genuine complaint we have is the blending bottle's narrow opening. It's fairly narrow, which makes loading ingredients more difficult. Yet, this is a useful safety feature for parents of curious toddlers. If you have a few additional dollars to spare, the Leegoal is an excellent alternative for anybody looking for durability, dependability, and mobility in one appliance. That's all for our list of the 5 best portable blenders on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.